Ready to supercharge your crypto trading by moving funds between Coinbase Pro and Kraken? First, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase Pro and Kraken, complete with any necessary verification on Kraken. Navigate to Funding, then Deposit, and select the cryptocurrency you plan to transfer. Kraken will generate a unique deposit address for that specific cryptocurrency. Copy this address carefully, paying close attention to every character. Now, head over to Coinbase Pro, click on Withdraw, select the cryptocurrency you're transferring, and choose cryptocurrency address as the withdrawal method. Paste the Kraken deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient address field. Double, triple, quadruple check that it's correct. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Before hitting that final withdrawal button, carefully review LL transaction details on the confirmation screen. Accuracy is key. Once confirmed on Coinbase Pro, the transfer is initiated. Head back to Kraken, where you'll see the deposit listed as pending until the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain. Confirmation times vary based on the cryptocurrency and network congestion, but once confirmed, your funds will be available for trading on Kraken. Remember to explore the unique features and fee structures of both platforms to optimize your trading strategy.